Hi, I'm Rich with Inside HPC. We're here at ISC'12 in Hamburg. I'm here with Molly Rector from Spectra Logic. Molly, let's start at the beginning. Who is Spectra and who do you help?
Spectra is a tape storage manufacturer. We make the highest capacity storage system in the world that scales to nearly 4 exabytes of storage in a single unit. And we help customers who have huge data problems that are data-intensive environments that need high capacity and high throughput.
Well, let's do a little Mythbusters here. I mean, why we're at an HPC show. Isn't tape slow?
That is one of those myths that's out there in the world, and actually tape storage streams data faster than disk storage does. The amount of input and throughput you can get into a data tape is faster than any disk system out there at the device and at the system level. It's at the restore, when you go get the data back, that is a little bit slower, that getting data off of tape can take 30, 60 seconds depending on the type of system, where disk is typically instantaneous from the time you ask for the data to the time it starts streaming. Once you're streaming, tape is again faster.
Okay, so a recent development is using tape for NAS. Now, how does that work?
The tape systems in HPC for the really big supercomputing sites like Fermi, CERN, systems like that, have always been able to use tape as NAS, but it took custom proprietary software to do that. And now, since data has continued to grow outside those very large proprietary environments, a lot more HPC users have the need to get the power efficiency and data storage density of tape. And so third-party applications have been developed that make it very easy to implement tape used as a NAS interface. Just make it an NFS share, a GPFS share, and you can get the advantages of the green side of tape for very power efficient, the scalability up into exabytes in a system, and use it just as NAS and not have to go through backups or anything like that to get your data onto tape.
Okay, so, but where would I get it? Am I locked into one vendor if I wanted to go that route? I mean, where is it available from?
The Active Archive Alliance was formed just over 2 years ago to solve that problem, actually, so good leading question. Yeah. And for Active Archive, there's several proprietary systems, if you go to activearchive.com, that have been developed and made into open standards. So you can buy software from Crossroads, from FileTech. SGI has 2 different packages that they offer, both with SGI systems or to any customer who just wants tape as NAS. There's a lot of solutions out there, and the differences between them are all about what are your performance requirements? Do you need a single global namespace? Do you just need a simple NFS interface? And there's a lot of different solutions depending on what the customer's needs are.
Okay, well, kind of a wrap up here, Molly. You know, one of the myths, I mean, we always think about tape is I don't have room in my data center for a tape solution. I mean, space is at a premium. Has that changed as well?
It has changed. The tape systems now are shaped like a standard rack format instead of like a big igloo or pyramid, octagon kind of monolithic item. They're now very modular and built like racks where you can add racks as you need more capacity. And the footprint of our systems that we're now standing on.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, right here in the booth. Yeah. It's a kind of funny trade show item, but what it comes down to is what you and I are standing on, this one poster, is 2 petabytes of storage that you can put in a data center in a standard rack format. And so you could take this into your data center. Our customers use this poster we're standing on to size where they're going to put their 2 petabytes of storage and put it right next to the big igloo-shaped formats of their old tape systems and realize it will fit in their data center both physically as well as a technology, being just a file system interface now a lot easier than in the past.
You were telling me what a powerful sales tool this was, but I think you've really got something here at HPC for those guys that are running around the show. They love staring at their shoes, so I think they're going to be able to...
And if you have the extroverted engineer who will look at somebody else's shoes, they'll also look at our poster, and they don't have to look anybody in the eye to learn about Spectra storage.
Well, terrific. Well, thanks for that, Molly. Okay, that's it for the Rich Report in Hamburg. I'm Rich Breckner from Inside HPC.